Are you struggling with dry skin and feel like you've tried every oil and moisturizer but nothing seems to work? Well, in this video, you'll learn the secret to fixing dry skin as we reveal the real reasons why you have dry skin and how to replenish your skin's natural oils. If you're new here, we post skin education and skincare reviews on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. First, let's understand our skin. It has a crucial part called the stratum corneum, which is the skin's outermost layer, one of the layers of the epidermis. The stratum corneum acts as a protective barrier, and its job is to retain moisture and protect your skin from environmental aggressors. But when you have dry skin, your stratum corneum is not functioning properly and your skin is lacking oil. Additionally, internal factors such as hormonal changes, genetics, nutritional deficiencies, or dehydration can also cause dry skin. Now let's look into some of these factors in detail. So vitamin E is vital for skin hydration. It helps to maintain the skin's oil balance and protects it from moisture loss. So a deficiency in vitamin E can lead to dry, flaky skin. To enhance vitamin E levels, you need to include foods like almonds, spinach, sweet potatoes, and avocados into your diet. You can also look for a moisturizer that contains vitamin E for topical application. Another critical component for healthy skin is omega-3 fatty acids, which help to maintain the lipid barrier of your skin and retain moisture. Consuming flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, or even fish oil can help to improve the quality and the health of your skin. Maintaining a balanced skin pH between 4.5 and 6.5 is vital for preventing dry skin. When the skin's pH is too high, it can disrupt the skin's barrier, leading to moisture loss and dryness. If you're washing your face too often, exfoliating too often, or using harsh cleansers that strip your skin's natural oils, it can cause an imbalance in your skin's pH, resulting in an impaired skin barrier and dry, dehydrated skin. Instead, opt for a gentle, non-foaming cleanser like a milk or a cream cleanser that can maintain your skin's natural pH and moisture levels. Do not exfoliate more than 2 times per week and opt for a gentle alpha hydroxy acid liquid exfoliant like lactic acid for exfoliation. Now, a massive tip, if your skin is dry, you do not need to exfoliate more. You actually need more moisture. Ensure to opt for a moisturizer that does not contain pore clogging oils. The best moisturizing cream for dry skin will have a combination of emollients, humectants, and occlusives. Emollients are ingredients that are applied to the skin that add moisture to your skin barrier, such as shea butter. Occlusives add moisture to the skin and add a physical barrier between the skin to prevent transepidermal water loss, locking in the hydration added into the skin. Humectants work by attracting water from the air or deeper into the skin to add moisture to the skin barrier and the skin. Hyaluronic acid and glycerin are 2 of the most popular humectants. The secret to fixing dry skin lies in understanding your skin's needs and nourishing it from within and out. Now you have the real reasons behind your dry skin and the secret to fixing your skin. If you're unsure whether you have a compromised skin barrier, then check out this video here to learn more.